Shiban taban rakhe ka lyngkhuh sngi kha kabashis pa hanyo jong ulet Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay u Vice Chancellor jong ka Skulbah Northeastern Hill University Professor P.S.Shukla ula Plie Maw Nongrim Golden Jubilee Girls Hostel Deen Dayal Upadhyay Community College for Skill Development Wahiajer West Jaiñtia Hills District hapdeng ka jingiphuh iphieng kabalaban kre de ki Samla Pule jong kanika college lyngba ki jingruwai ki jingshad tynrai pat kiwei de ki jinglehkmen kiba pynbyrngia ki he ki han jong ka NEHU ya ki nong penyat jong ka Deen Dayal Upadhyay Community for Skill Development Wahiajer but ya baro ki nong shakhot ngobha shakani ka jingple Maw Nongrim ya ka Golden Jubilee Girls Hostel hakaba u Vice Chancellor jong ka NEHU u Professor P.S.Shukla ulalong kumukong sa u Professor Shukla habakran hakani kasngi u ong bantay hakani ka Golden Jubilee Girls Hostel kalong kabadon kambha bakin bitkin biang ki Samla kantay ki bapuli hakani ka Deen Dayal Community College for Skill Development u ong ru bakum u Vice Chancellor jong ka Skulbah NEHU un persyang kat bala lakabuit kabor bantaw kilat kilinti bakani ka Golden Jubilee Girls Hostel kandepshna nadong shadong hakapor jong u Professor Shukla u penkut yakani ka jingkran jong u takabakan tu yaki nong nong jong ka Wahiajer but yaki wede banyas nok tilang nakabenta kani ka jingtmu babha bantay ya ka Golden Jubilee Girls Hostel.
Welcome you all with a grateful heart on this auspicious day. Let us all prepare our heart with love and joy. Come and join us to be a part of this beautiful day. Beautiful day, beautiful day. Welcome you all in the blessed family of God. It's a home built of love, peace,
challenges in front of our young generation, and I hope this center, the Skill Development Center, will be in position to skill our young generation with different type of certificate and diploma courses. I'm not only interested to develop or start new courses, but I'm trying to develop some startups in the Meghalaya, and I can say the Tura campus of the Northeastern Hill University already doing this work and involved more than 500 farmers of the Tura, Biliam Nagar and other blocks, and I can announce the farmers are producing more than a ton honey, and we are trying to find out the market, how to sell these products in the market.
So to some extent, only starting now. So thank God he listened to what we have been crying from the student union, from the people, that university will do something for our people in Jaiñtia Hills. While I'm standing here, if you go around, you will see the route, which was the route by our king in those days. He used to come from Skulbah and pass this route. We call it Usim, Kasurok yung Usim, Walay yung Usim Jaiñtia. We have a route here in this street. This route is still there, I hope it will be remembered. And then we have here in Jaiñtia Hills formation, the only Hindu village that is Narpian, which is exceptionally different from all the other villages. So my vision, my desire that Jaiñtia Hills should be also in the map, in the history of the Northeast, that we have such places, historically rich. We have the monoliths, we have the temple, we have even the route by the Jangkepur king who passed through this hillock here.
15 plus acres was donated by the Dorbarshnong of Wahiajer village in the years of 2012 to the Northeastern Hills University. Since from that time, we expected to see some things to be done here by the Northeastern Hills University. But we see only this small shed here in front of us. But today, I am proud to say our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Sir P.S.Shukla, you have been here 2 years now. But within these 2 years, I would like to thank you, sir, and your team for all the hard works put into this event today, for laying the foundation stone of Golden Jubilee Girls Hostel. And I hope during your tenures, we will meet once again, like this program, for some more projects like academic building, etc., etc.